Hey guys, and welcome to Live Russian Pronunciation. Today we continue with the listening practice of confusing pairs of words. And today we are looking at, in my opinion, the most confusing pair of sounds, sh and sh. It doesn't even matter what is your mother tongue, the majority of Russian learners have problems with these sounds. But if you look at it, if you ask any Russian, did they hear from the very beginning the difference between bad and bed, or the difference between sleep and slip, they would tell you that they didn't. That's why we need to listen, to hear the difference between these two sounds. It's the first step in mastering them, to hear that they are actually different. And then you can get to trying to imitate these two sounds. And I will help you to pronounce both of them, but a little bit later. First, let's try to hear the difference between them. I took similar words that are different just thanks to these two sounds. As usual, I put in red stressed syllables. When there is just one syllable, I didn't put any red. And I will underline in blue the sounds we are interested in. Let's get started. Чаша, чаша, чаща, чаща, яшик, яшик, ящик, ящик, шелк, шелк, щелк, щелк, куш, куш, кущ, кущ, плюш, плюш, плющ, плющ. When they stand in the end, it's even more challenging. We continue. Прошение, прошение, прощение, прощение, прошу, прошу, прощу, прощу, шит, шит, щит, щит, ниши, ниши, нищи, нищи, машу, машу, мощу, мощу. I hope that you managed to hear the difference when you compare similar words. And now let's get to pronouncing these two sounds. We should start with the sound sh, and then from this sound we will go to the sound sh. I have two ways that help most of my students to pronounce sh. The first way is going from the sound s. You pronounce the sound s while rolling your tongue up but not touching your palate, and you will have the sound sh. Let's try together. I rolled my tongue. One more time. I rolled my tongue again. And the second way is to go from the sound r. English sound r. Because when you pronounce r, in fact, like in the word right, you roll your tongue up, you're not touching the palate, and that's the position we need. So say r, like right, r, and then sh, r, sh, r, sh, r, sh, r, sh. It's not as difficult as it seemed. I hope that one of these ways helped you, and we can get to the sound sh, which we can have from the sound sh by simply unrolling our tongue, but keeping this air flowing between our palate and our tongue, like this. Let's try it together. From sh, we roll it. We can go from r, sh, sh. When we pronounce long sh, when unrolling our tongue, we will have the sound sh. Let's try one more time. The air is going, but the tongue is very close to our upper teeth, not touching them, but close to them. The last time. This is sh. Well, and we are getting to the second exercise that will help you again to distinguish the difference between two sounds. I will say just one word out of each pair and you will try to guess which one. Then I will underline it, okay? Listen carefully. Чаще. Чаще. It's this one. Ящик. Ящик. It's this one. Щелк. Щелк. Щелк, it means this. Щелк. Щелк. Куш. 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 I even pronounce it 3 times because in the very end of the word it's challenging. Okay, we continue. Плющ. Плющ. Here. Прошение. Прошение. Here, it was my computer actually. Прощу. Прощу. Here. Шит. Шит. Нищий. Нищий. And the last one. Машу. Машу, я вам машу. I'm waving to you, it's this one. And now I will pronounce one random word out of this group and one random word out of this one. And you guess which one, okay? Ящик. 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 It's this word. And here, прошу, 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 it means I'm asking you, I'm asking, and прошу, прощение means I'm asking for your forgiveness. Прощение is forgiveness. Прошу прощения, but прощение will be in the genitive case. So, I hope it was helpful. We'll meet each other in live Russian pronunciation. See you!